what's up everybody? Dzień dobry. It's beautiful, rainy, cold day in Poland today. And we have a breakfast in Barebu, Malta, Poznań, as usual, our tradition, right? Do I speak like Italian today or something? I don't know what's going on. Yeah. It's just nice day. Nice. Somebody said too many nice.
Hi, so it's Sunday and Damian take a day off today and it's time for having a breakfast brunch, and the weather today is unpredictable, right, Kohani?
The weather is like this one, I'm gonna tell you. Here we go. It's little bit rainy, windy. There is little bit stormy weather, but generally it's pretty enjoyable, especially if you sit inside like this one. We're gonna wait for the breakfast and we're gonna show you what we got, right?
Yes, but in the morning, this place already, some people are coming, even rain, windy. Business must be go on.
Well, business must go on. You see the people even running outside. Check this out. Look at this. No pain, no gain. And the weather is just the weather. It depends how you dress and how your mentality is able to handle the weather. So,
Yeah.
that's the most important thing. Morning couple arrived, sayang. What are you doing, huh?
Pouring your beer.
Why are you doing that?
Nicotine 0%.
0%, no paid endorsement, alright? But I try to don't drink Coke, huh?
Cheers.
Cheers,
Na
sayang.
zdrowie.
Na zdrowie. Coffee with the beautiful rainy weather.
Damian already said, can I eat? I said, poczekaj, kochani.
But check this out. Look nice, actually. Focus on the food. English breakfast. Not bad at all.
And that's my baguette, chicken baguette. Looks so good. Smacznego. We paid all for 63.80. Smacznego. Watching this. Kochani, so the rain actually already finished and we decided to go to
The lake. I mean, the spin around. There are some lakes and the nice. It's already not so hot, so we can enjoy more. At least, perhaps for me, it's nice.
Yes.
We're going through the countryside somewhere. There are some houses here.
And especially in Greater Wielkopolski, tak?
Greater Wielkopolska state.
Oh, so many green and then lakes.
Lakes, and there will be the woods as well. And some nice houses actually. Here, some people have time to time.
So we are going through the woods now, tak? Nice. So many cornfield, tak, Kohani?
You're correct.
Then we stopped and we decided to go exploring the lake, and tada! In front of me is a kind of a nice looking restaurant, but unfortunately closed. So yeah, many restaurants closed basically due to the current weather. And let's go here, Kohani.
Let's go. Lake.
Nice. Oh, they have even a place for swimming there in the front, tak? I think that during the summer last time must be much people coming here and busier. Look, they even have a white sand beach like this. That is swimming pool, not swimming pool, like yeah. Oh, I think that's an island there. Is there any access to go to the island?
No, only by boat.
Only by boat, that small boat.
Yeah.
Oh, you can explore like this kind of a boat, tak?
Oh.
Exploring the... Oh, nice. Kahanye! Ooh, it's actually... What should I say? The climate is change basically, and then here I believe like during hot in summer. Must be.
Like last week was totally different. Last
Yes.
week was 30 degree.
Uh-huh.
Uncle and auntie was here and it was actually so busy. We supposed to come, but we were busy a little bit.
Yes.
And now the weather has changed into like a fall and so drastically. But at least it's not rainy right now, right?
Yeah.
But actually for me it's even better because when it was so hot, 30 something, it was like too much, you know.
I know. It's enjoyable actually. Still walking, and then the fresh, crisp air, dark.
Dark.
Yeah,
Exactly.
surrounded by the green nature like this. It's nice. Kohani, where are we going?
I don't know, to the woods.
Oh, look. This one. Nice lake.
Oh, the duck.
The ducks. Oh. Nice, Kohani. I know that somebody will complain I'm saying nice many times, but it's nice for me, so I said nice. Oh.
Don't worry. People just like to complain about everything, you know. Used to that for the last 4 years. No big deal.
Hey, look at the color of the leaves already changing. And look at the path here. It's nice. You see, you can even cycling. You can listen the sound of the ducks.
Actually, it will be even nice now if there will be rain.
No rain. I just want to enjoy the walking in the path here.
It's a nice spot for fishing, huh?
Uh-huh. So we keep walking and walking. Kohani, where are we going?
I don't know, there is some sort of
Bridge?
I don't know, let's have a look.
Oh. What is it made of? Plastic?
Yeah,
Oh. Is it wiggle wiggle?
wiggle.
Oh. Careful, Kohani. Oh.
This bridge is actually pretty long. But we
Tak.
try to go, huh?
Tak.
Because the couple is going there. There is some island.
Island.
Spooky, yeah?
Let's go. Oh. Look at this. Wow.
Let's go.
Okay, Jamie. Oh, hold my hand.
Baby, you must have wet shoes, no?
No. Oh. Is the lake deep, Kohani?
I have no idea.
I see some boats over there, like with a kind of a catamaran or something like that. Hey, in the front there is a house.
That's why I want to go there.
Look. Oh, look at the fresh, crisp air surrounded by the green nature. Jamie?
Yeah, man. Let's go.
Kohani, where we are?
On Edward Island.
Edward Island. Look, tu estes. Oh, Dom Quixotelik. There is hotel.
Okay, let's have a look.
Look, 1817. Oh, there is hotel there.
Of the restaurant and everything, but it's closed.
Yeah.
Season is finished suddenly.
Tak.
There's some hotel, I think it's under the renovation.
Yeah, and look at the wooden hotel. Nice, no? Look at this. This is a holy tree of the Edward. Oh, I think that winter will be nice
Yeah, winter must be nice too.
because the lake gonna be icing. Oh, look at this. I think that's the restaurant. That's the hotel. Interesting.
Okay, that's the
I think summer must be nice here and busier. Yeah, that's restaurant. Toilet. So in front of me, I think that is a kind of the hotel room or something like that. And here is the view overlooking the lake. This place really has a great potential. Green surrounded, but maybe because of the summer is finished, unfortunately something is left abandoned. It's interesting. Oh, it's so peaceful here, kochanie.
Tak, you like it? Something
Tak.
different. Oh,
Tak.
like this.
Oh, actually we spend our Sunday,
Tak.
and thank you, kochanie. You spend your Sunday.
I could work instead.
Yes, I know, but you know, spending time also, you know, like quality time also nice.
We used to making videos like this every day for the last 4 years, right? Before, right?
Yes, yes.
So spending time is important to get.
Kochanie, where are we going?
We are going to the woods. See the nature, you know.
Kochanie.
Babe,
Apa?
you wanted to experience the nature. We are going to the woods.
Rozumiem.
It will be lovely if it will be rainy now.
Nee, no more rain, kochanie.
But look at this one. You wanna open the window first, breathe the fresh air.
Oh,
Oh, the
you
road is
really
so-
take me somewhere.
Yeah, but it's so nice, no?
Kochanie.
Isn't that beautiful, Saya?
Yes.
Maybe there are mushrooms there.
Mushroom?
Now is the good season for mushroom. You should move the camera lower to see the mushroom. Go like this.
Baby. Oh, the smell of the pine trees.
It's so
fresh.
nice, yeah?
Yeah.
So fresh, huh?
Uh-huh.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes.
And maybe you can see the blueberry.
Blueberry?
Yeah, blueberry, but it's already finished, the season.
Blueberry?
But you can smell the pine. PTS YouTube don't have a
Nose.
nose yet. So nice.
Big ice here, sayang.
But I come back here because the road is already broken, okay?
Tak. Kochanie.
Tak.
Where are we?
We are in the nice woods. Check this out.
This is my
Everywhere around.
husband.
But the smell is so lovely of these pine trees and everything. The nature, look at this one. It just will be even better if it will be little bit of rain, but maybe enough rain already. Yeah. Let's go picking the mushroom lah.
Mushroom?
Tak, mushroom.
So this is my husband taking me to the wood and experience something different. Oh,
Yeah.
kochanie. Is there any python here? No python. Look at these trees.
Give me
Nice.
camera, sayang. I will show to the people your reaction first. Then you walking first time in the woods like this one, hugging the tree like in Ubud lah.
Oh dear.
But it's nice, no?
Tak.
And the fresh air, huh?
Tak.
Nice. See the sounds of the silence? Only doggo barking in the background. Huh?
Jeme?
Are you scared?
No.
It's not the deaf forest in Japan lah.
No, come on, Jeme.
Let's go. Let's go.
Ooh, very cold, kochanie.
Very cold. It's not cold. It's 15 degree. Some people said, or some, shout out to you, buddy. You said it looked like a Melbourne spring or autumn or Melbourne weather. So it's normal.
Yeah.
Normal.
So today, I don't know where we're gonna go, but basically because Damian having a day off today, so yeah, let's see, kochanie.
Let's see
And
what
I'll
we're
show
gonna
you a little bit around how it is the weather and how's the situation. But especially in the South Poland, I read in the news they are everywhere flood, right?
That's the thing.
The thing is that we will not go to the South Poland, but maybe probably we just
Today we are stroll around.
Where are we going,
To
sayang?
the mall.
See? Our favorite place. Where you go during the weather like this? Mall.
And even it's closed today. Only the coffee shops are open. I don't even know. Yesterday was the fire a little bit underground because the one of the car had get burned.
Okay,
I mean,
see how it
Didn't know if it's really good. So dark, but it's open.
Yeah.
It's open. Maybe some coffee shop is open.
So now we are in Poznań. It's Sunday. Yes, upstairs the the shop is closed, but the restaurant still open. And just like this, nice. Haha, I like the cat, small cat there. I like the decoration, Halloween decoration already, pumpkin everywhere. So where to go? If the weather rain cold like this, going to the mall, Poznań. Tak?
Nice decoration.
Pumpkin decoration is gonna be Halloween soon, tak?
Tak.
Oh, that's so cute. You cover my view, kochanie. What you call?
We call it Wszystkich Świętych in Poland. It's sad actually in Poland. Everywhere in the world is happy. In Poland it's sad, but you will experience it.
Nice. And look at this, see? So many food court still open. It's nice. Everywhere you see is just like a pumpkin decoration. Just like this. Nice. Let's see what other food vendors here. Dim sum ramen, wasabi sushi, curry leaves Indian in the front, Nai Thai, kebab. And then this one burger. And in the front is the fritki belgiski. That is Gruzinska. Gruzinska is what is Gruzinska?
Huh?
What is Gruzinska again?
Georgian.
Georgian pizza pasta. Petit Paris. Oh, another Petit Paris here. Nice. Let's have a dessert, kochanie. Coffee and dessert again. So I think this one is the Petit Paris, the same like in Sowach, tak?
Same. I don't know what is it, but this one with raspberry looks decent.
Oh, I love cake sweets.
Tort Charlotte.
Oh, wind, big rain, coffee and cake. I like the decoration. So this decoration is so cute for me. Oh, pumpkin, flowers, orange color. So this sign of the autumns. Interesting. And that is the Starbucks coffee, Pasibos, and another food court. So basically, yes, the restaurant open, but the shop, like clothes shop, many kind of shop is closed. Kochanie! It's coffee cake time.
That coffee cake time.
Pira time?
Pera time. We call it pera time nowadays. Coffee and cake. Somebody tell me actually as Poznań is famous for so many coffee shops and everything because the tradition in Poznań is actually as coffee and cake is very common thing here. So I like it. So okay, no more fika time. Fika time is in Sweden. So whenever we go to IKEA, it's fika time. Anywhere else where is the coffee and cake time.
Pira time.
Or pera time.
I have a hot tea today and Damian got another coffee shop. And look at the cake. What is it? What's the cake?
I don't know, it's called Charlotte something with the raspberry mousse and the raspberries and coffees from Ili, so it should be nice.
Nice. Smacznego. Look at this sweet machine. It's not only the child going but also adults. Oh, look at this. They make the shape of the flowers. Nice. Kochanie, the rain is so big outside, huh?
It's the overall big rain in whole Poland, but many countries in Europe as well.
And we decided to go up, and here some restaurants are open and some are not. Honey,
Tak.
look.
Happen, sayang.
Is it like in pandemic, no? I mean, everything closed.
Oh, in Poland, the malls and every shops, like a supermarket and everything is closed on Sundays. There is no trade on Sunday in general, except the 5 or 6 times a year. There is like, different time. But after that, there is no trade. However, the food and beverage industry, like restaurants and cafes, can open. So like in Poznań, there is so many cafe shops and the restaurants, they are open, but anything else is closed. So, but you can stroll around the mall, so which is cool actually.
To keep yourself warm.
Yeah, just you cannot buy anything because all the shops are closed. That's how it is.
You're just chilling, yeah? Hey, this is why I told you I like this mall.
Nice chair. You have speakers here. You can like work and listen the music. Oh, this is the charging by the induction and everything.
Nice.
Cool.
Jamie?
Gem.
Kochanie, even my favorite coffee shop is closed, huh?
Yeah.
And this one is how it looks outside. we just make a fun. Hey, the lift looks fancy, yeah?
Fancy. Everything is fancy here.
You see, everything is closed. The shop is closed. So we decided to go out to get a fresh air where not many smokers. Right. Oh, kochani, so many brand new building here. Right?
Actually, they're building the 16-story the tower here at the front of the Poznań Mall. There will be the 2 towers. Actually, the Poznań will look much modern than it is now.
Ah, look at this. Kochanie, it's dinner time. What do we eat? Zapiekanka. So actually, this is how we end our Sunday.
Yeah.
We go to the Orlen stop cafe and then we have our zapiekanka for dinner. I think that's all our video today, guys. Still hot. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.